You will have to carry the casket on your head to your destination.
On our head? Why now? Come, see. This is the height of it. I've had it up to here. Huh? Look at me. I'm not the type that jokes a lot. How can you ask us to carry this thing on our head?
Calm down now.
Please don't tell me that. You're a ghost. What are you doing amongst the living?
Chichi.
You're supposed to go back to where you came from. Don't try this thing with me next time. See, because I'm scared, eh? I don't used to fear for too long, so you will not try this nonsense. Forgive us. Bring that down.
Miss Uchechi Ogechi, on the 20th of July 2023, this Honorable Court found you guilty of a crime which you pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 30 years with possibility of parole. Having served only 10 years, but due to your good conduct and improvement in character, and based on the goodwill of the state government, you are hereby set free on this day, 10th of February 2023, with all charges dropped. You are now a free person. We hope you do not have any reason to return here ever again. And maybe the good Lord help you as you try to fix yourself back out there. God bless you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, stop.
What is it?
Can we still be friends? Can we be good friends? Huh? Can we be good friends, please?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Good afternoon. Wow.
My prince.
Oh yes. Now that we're friends, can you help me get that girl to my bed? I promise I'll give you 50,000 naira.
What? How dare you say that to me?
It's alright, I'll make it 100.
It was right about you all this while.
No.
So you were this evil?
No.
Stay away from me.
Chechi, relax. It's not... Oh, Chechi, it's not that serious.
Thank you so much. You can go now. We'll take it up from here. Please, take this. On your way back to town, pour blood on it, tear it, make it look like an animal attack. It can be for evidence. Thank you. Thank you.
Please help her, please.
Naomi, darling, he will expose us. And this is the only way for us to shut you up. Why are you crying? Do you want to get exposed? I can't afford being exposed. I can't afford being disgraced. So please, let's just use one mind and do this. We have work to do and stop shedding tears. Help me take her off.
Wait. Please just see her.
Please help and put her on me and stop this nonsense before I get angry.
Please now.
I told you now, yeah. Let's go.
Oh yeah, shh. See, don't do this thing you want to do now. To survive in this world, you have to have a heart of stone. Oh yeah, help me up. Let me carry her. You don't go help me. Ha! Wahala dey.
Why do you have to do this?
Oh yeah, go and bring down that shovel. Okay. Go look at that other one at the back. Bring her slippers too.
So it's true. It's true, you're back. You're back in this village. After all the pains you caused us in this village. It's true. Why this life so cruel? Why didn't you die there? You mistake of a child. See what your curiosity have cost us. Your wickedness. Take it! Eat! Spare me that your crocodile tears. Do you see where your wickedness have landed all of us in this village? Now, I do visit my daughter in her grave. Oh, I watch the poster to see my daughter. Yeah. You ruined my life. Why, Nico? I beg in the name of God, please. Calm down. Nico, calm down, please. Don't tell me to calm down. Okay, let me calm down. Because you have your daughter right in your hands. This traitor stole our daughters, ruined our families. You are telling me to calm down. You say it. You don't deserve to be here again. Okay. I will never be alive in this village and see you alive. I will never be alive and see you alive. You can never leave. I curse you today. You will go like my daughter. Yes, you deserve to die. And I. Please, Mama, Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen what you have caused? Just give me one reason. Give me a reason why you had to kill all these people. Why did you kill them, Uchechi? Why? Since your father died, I made sure I provided everything you need. I still have the mind to do this to me. I can no longer buy or sell in this village. Because of you! Chichi, I don't know what to do with you. I don't know what to do with you. Uchechi, you cannot be alive. Why my daughter is dead and buried, almost forgotten. You must pay for all the pain you've caused me. Sorry, please forgive me. Sorry, Chica. Fred. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Jimmy, I don't want Mamugo taking over my normal spot.
Okay, my daughter, I'm almost done, eh? This our ugu is so fresh. Huh? I'm sure this one will not even last. Once you get to the market, they will rush it.
You should better rush it. Me, I
They
don't
will
have
rush
strength.
it. It's so fresh. I run along.
Mama, I not forgetting something.
Oh! Oh, sorry, Mom. Take, this is 300. Should be enough for you. Oh, yo. Be going.
Bye-bye.
Bye. You're my own one. Don't branch anywhere. Oh.
Okay.
Uchachi, this is not time to visit Fete. Oh. Just go and sell and come back, eh? Mama.
Selling. How much do you need?
How much? Yeah. I just don't want this people to stress me. Let everybody just buy this thing and before I get to that.
Even my own, nobody has got. Since morning, I don't know what I'm
But can the governor finish this bridge before the next election? That is the question. Nasa, welcome. Yeah. Hey. Welcome. You return very early today.
Oh, that was because I was able to fetch enough firewood within a very short time.
Oh, that is good. That is good. Welcome.
Have you had anything to eat?
No. I went into the kitchen, searched every pot, everything empty. I am very hungry here.
Oh, I remember that we ate the last soup last night.
Oh.
But don't worry, let me go inside and get you something to eat.
Okay. Oh, very fast.
Okay.
Very fast. Huh? This is hunger strike. Huh? You finished everything last night and keep me hungry here.
Oh Lord, bless and satisfy this food as we eat. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now, so this is sweet. Oh. You really know how to cook. No, don't worry. When there will be money, we will kill chicken. With the chicken everywhere, you chop well. Yeah?
Yes.
Naza?
Papa.
You are not eating. Don't you like this, the rice?
It's just that I really miss my parents so much.
My daughter. It's a painful thing to remember the loss of your parents, your mother, your father, and your sister. But take heart, I'm always here for you. Your uncle that always support us, he's always here for you. Huh? It pains me so much for the loss of your parents. But take heart. Take heart, God will take care of everything. Yeah. Yeah, eat. Eat, huh? Eat the food. The food is delicious. Eat.
That's my story. That's why I can't even go back to school.
Oh my goodness. Your story is really touching. I mean, I can feel your pain and agony. But please, you really need to stop blaming yourself for all of this and embrace the brighter part of life. Please, there's still more in life for you, okay? And with all of this you just said, I'm sure you have a great destiny.
Thank you so much, my friend. You know, I really feel relieved telling my story to you.
I'm so glad to hear it, okay? Now listen, you're now my friend. You're not just a friend. I'm now a big sister to you. Like, I never had a sister. So now I have a sister. And if there's anything at all you need, do not hesitate to call me. Alright?
Thank you. Thank you for being my friend. Okay, so enough about me. Tell me about you.
Well, I already told you my name. I'm Ijeoma. But because you're my little sister, they'll call me IJ. And yes, I'm a native of this village. I've always wanted a sister.
Good afternoon, Grandpa.
Oh, Naomi, good afternoon. What took you so long? I was getting worried.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to come late intentionally.
Welcome. But why are you so excited?
Well, let's just say I made a new friend today. And her name is Ijeoma. She's even from our kindred.
Oh, it's good to make friends. And it's even better to make friends with kids that are reasonable. And from respected family. That is very important.
You don't need to worry about that. Because I can assure you that Ijeoma is a very good girl. And from a responsible family too.
Oh, okay. I trust your judgment. And now that you are back, go in and get me my food. Be hungry for a while.
Sorry about that. I'll wait.
But warm the food. I don't want cold one. It gives me stomach upset.
Don't
warm it. All right. Good job, man.
Piece of our land. Yeah, I know. You're welcome. Thank you very much. It's been a long time I saw you. No. Really? Yeah.
Although I greet you.
How are you, my son?
I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, sir. It's been a long time I saw you, know. You look good.
Oh, really? As you can see, I'm really looking very good.
Oh, yeah, yes. You are. So, how are you doing? I'm fine.
Good.
My journey was smooth, and I'm so happy to be back home. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. Home is the best.
Yes.
East or west?
Yes.
Home
Yes.
is eventually the best.
Of course.
You're welcome home, my son.
Thank you.
Then
Thank you.
how is your father and his health?
My father's doing pretty good. Trust me, very soon he'll be back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Please, my prince. Next time you're in line with him, tell him that the kingdom is missing him. And we're longing to see him back home as soon as possible.
No. I believe you speak to my father every day. You can as well tell him that yourself. Come on.
Well, now you reminded me. I will do that.
Good.
Yeah.
So what are you up to?
I will go to the palace to welcome you as tradition and custom demands.
For real?
Yes.
Fine, you can hop into the car. Let's go together.
All right. All right.
Oh no!
I'm going to your house now. Hey! I'm going to my shop. I went to your house. Let's go together. I'm sorry your friend are going somewhere in a hurry. Is everything okay? Yeah. It's fine. It's going to the palace. What's happening at the palace? Is the king back? Go ahead. Hey, bro. This is party. The place is part of this village. Wait. What is it? Hey. You're blushing. Blushing? What's going on? I don't know. How come I don't know this is party. Hey. Yes. Are you seeing it? No. You're not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. What are you saying? Let's go back. Oh.
you are going somewhere in a hurry. Is everything okay?
Yeah. It's fine. It's going to the palace.
What's happening at the palace? Is the king back? Hey, bro. This is party. The prince is back to this village.
This is the opportunity I've been praying and waiting patiently for. I have to grab it with all my life. I need to do something so that the prince will notice me. But what do I do? How do I go about it? Oh, I just wish the prince could make me his wife. I am born for royalty. I know that. And royalty I shall have.
Grandpa, good afternoon. Look at all the money I made today.
Money?
Look.
Oh, this money?
Yes.
From where?
Okay, so you know that this orange tree right here. So like
This one?
Yes, this one. I noticed most of them were ripe.
Oh.
So with the help of Ijeoma, we were able to like plug as much as possible. So I took them to the market, sold them, and got this whole lot of money. It's only 3,400 naira.
Oh, Naza, you are a wise girl. Eh? Oh, may the gods continue to bless you for me. For all these things.
He say, you know, Grandpa, you know I own the chemist 700 naira. And also Mama will do 650. So yes. I'll go now and pay them off from this money.
Yes, you will go. Especially Mama Uchu.
Yes.
You know how she used to react whenever we owe her little money. In fact, pay her off. That is a...
You're going to give me 1-4.
1-4.
Yes.
This is 1-4. Give it to them. Okay. Remember the change.
Oh, yes, I will.
The change is very important.
Okay, let me go off and drop my tray.
Okay. Hey. Oh, God. Eh? Gods of our land, continue to bless Naza for me. Eh? Look at the money I've been looking to pay chemists, to pay Mamuju. Look at plenty of them have come now. God, I thank you. Eh? Thank you for giving me a granddaughter like this.
Uche, I want to tell you a good story. Very interesting one. Story. Sad story. Once upon a time. Okay? One day, a professor was traveling by boat on the high sea with a sailor. And on their way going, the professor said, "Hey, sailor, do you know the law of oceanology, zoology, epidemiology, chapology?" The sailor said, "No." Then the professor said, "What do you know? You don't know anything. Rather, you will die of illiteracy." So, 30 minutes later, their boat started sinking. The sailor said to the professor, "Hey, professor, do you know the law of swimology and escapology from sharkology?" Then the professor said, "No." Then the sailor said, "Now, sharkology will eat your headology with your knowledgeology because of your bad mathology and grammatology." Okay, tell me, what did you learn from this story? Hello? Hello? What did you learn from the story?
No, Faith, I don't know.
You don't know. What is it? What is eating you up? Tell me.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Why you don't look it? Okay. Tell me the last word I said during the story. Hey. some. Tell me, see, I've not been paying attention to what I was saying all this while. I was just blabbing to myself. This is not you. Tell me.
You will not understand.
Try me.
So, I've been having this dream of marrying the royal prince. No, not like it must be the royal prince, but a rich man, a very rich man from the city. And the opportunity is very close to me. And I have plans of making it a reality.
I'm lost here. What dream are you talking about?
The prince is back.
I know.
And I want to see if he can make me his bride. Right?
Make you bride, as in how? You like this. My dear, if that's what you had in your dream, that means you are bound to stay there for a long time because it's not going to happen. Not at all.
I'm coming.
Where is she going to? Uche! This girl. Hey! Where is she going to?
So,
what will be this?
In here, this is my saving box.
I know.
In here is the money I've been saving for 2 years now. And I want to break the box. I want to use the money I get from here to touch myself up. Make myself look prettier. You know, change my dressing.
Mom.
So when I do that, there's no way I'll pass the prince and he wouldn't turn back to look at me.
My girl is talking. My girl is talking. They give him high five. Hey! But tell me, how will you do it?
Different kind of ways, you know. But I'm very serious, Faith.
Really?
I'm very serious.
This is serious, so.
Very, very serious.
I'm not trust you. Nena. Hey, give me some money now.
No, it has to be enough.
Really?
Listen, man, I paid for all this shit. Nothing's working yet. That's what I'm talking about, bro. They need to fix it. That's what's up.
Greetings, my friends.
I don't like this, man. You know I don't like this. I got deadline for this shit. That's what's up, bro. I'm standing outside, bro. Oh, man, you better hold
The prince just waved at me. Hey. So he likes me. Wow. I said it. Just these things I put on my hair caught his attention. Then, who knows what will happen if I add extra things to myself? I said it, I told Faith. I'm bound for royalty. Asanama. Ha ha ha. I will kill them. Hey.
This girl, you too much. Yeah.
Don't touch. Give me my thing.
Wait now. Come on, babe. Where did you buy all these makeup items?
Faith. I bought them yesterday. I bought all of this since yesterday. And from today, this is the way I'll be looking. For the prince, I want to look like all those city girls. It's not only the city girls that can have this kind of beauty and makeup. Yes, I will show them that even village girls can be like city girls in the village.
Hey. Oh, the quego. Even the hair.
Hey, you spoil it. Don't touch it.
My lioness. I must start making my own up so I can attract the prince as well. Babe. Please, can you give me some of your makeup items?
You like Chris? Give you what?
I want to look good now for the prince too.
Look good for the prince? I don't understand. Let me tell you something. This beauty is for the prince alone. And no one can look as good as me in this village. So don't even dare.
Please now.
Which kind of bag is this one?
This one.
Don't touch it. Don't touch
this one.
Don't touch it. Give me my tea.
Give me one now.
Give me.
We are friends.
Give me which one?
Hey, no, give me a bag. No, give me. I'll buy my own. Don't give me. I beg, keep your. I will buy my own. Tomorrow, I'm going to the market to buy my own. Look at how.
Now you sabi.
Can you imagine?
You think you get it as I did?
I will.
You think you get it?
I must get my own. You go see now. I will make my own up. I'm ready.
Story like today, when it goes, it doesn't stay the same. I don't even understand myself. Everything I know is no longer the same. So I cry, can you feel my pain? I don't want to die, feeling all alone, dancing in my pain.
What is going on here? Uchechi! 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 Nah, Mama, what is the meaning of this now? I should be the one asking you what is going on here. Eh? Because you are here raising your hand like you are trapped in a river. If I was trapped in a river and so what? You know you would have let me drown now. Eh? You're playing the role of a hero. You are doing what someone did not ask you to do. Now you have spoiled it. You have spoiled it. So now I have committed a crime to have woken you up. Yes. Anyway, madam, I don't have time for this your drama. I came here to tell you that I've already watered the vegetables. So go in there and carry them and go to the market and make sure you sell all of them. You see that what I leave? It's almost spoiled. Don't come back with any of them. Eh? Do you understand? So as you are dreaming, dream to go and sell vegetables. I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. What did you say? Mama. Mama. Every time you for someone that will bring all these things. Yes. Oh, but that's you do it yourself. Look at me. She will be going to say you can't just at all. Uchechi, you, Prince. So because of the Prince, I will not eat again in my house. We will not make money. See you, sis. You will starve. You will starve. But before then, because you're going to starve alone, before then you go and sell those vegetables and you give me the money before the end of today.
Mama,
I
need space. I need space. Can you not just give me space? Look how pretty I am.
Hey!
Princess.
Hey! Chimo.
Me, I'll sleep back.
Uchechi. So, this is your level now. Eh? Eh? Imagine.
You never change, bros. Omo, I'm glad to see you again.
Trust me, man. I've got plans. I've got big plans.
Like seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
So,
man.
tell me.
Nah. I can't tell you right now.
Oh,
Just
why?
sit,
Oh, why?
relax,
Okay.
and watch me do my thing. Huh? You're gonna like this one, I know. You's a bad boy. Huh?
What do you mean by that?
Come on, man. You're gonna like this plan, bro.
Just say it.
You want me to say it?
Yeah.
I don't understand. I'm sorry. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Ah! Look at how dirty you are. Listen, stay away from me. Did you not see me when I was walking there? All these village nonsense girls.
Bro, I want some girl looking fly, you know what I'm saying? I want me some hot girl. Sick and tired of all these local girls around here.
Chill, bro, chill. I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of them here in the village. We'll have a lot of girls in the village.
Oh, I ain't seen none, bro.
You will see them, just chill.
You want me to chill?
Just come back for crying out loud.
Wow.
For you, your body just the hot.
Yo, hold on, bro. Hold on, bro.
What's it?
Look at that girl.
That girl?
Now, that's what I'm talking about. She look hot.
Local girl?
Now, despite all that, I can see beyond all this costume she's wearing. Hold on.
Man, what are you talking about?
Hold on, I got this one. Yo! Hey! What's up? How you doing?
My prince! Good afternoon, my prince.
Good afternoon, beautiful maiden of our beautiful land. Gods be praised. How you doing? Huh?
I'm fine.
So, what's your beautiful name?
My name is Uchechi.
Uchechi! Wow. Beautiful name for a beautiful maiden. Trust me, bro. Beautiful name. Actually, my friend and I were bored at the palace, so we decided to, drive around the village, look around and see some beautiful things, you know how it is. You mind joining us?
No, Chechi, don't go. Don't make yourself look cheap before him. You have to play hard to get.
Yes, my friends are okay.
To win his heart the more.
I'm actually running an errand for my mother. Maybe some other time.
Alright, some other time is good. You know what I'm saying? Can I have your number so I get to call you some other time? You know what I'm saying?
I don't have a phone.
What? A beautiful girl like this should have no phone. You know what? Just come to the palace tomorrow. I'll give you a phone. Okay? Yo! You're welcome, huh? So tomorrow is the date, yeah? Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you too. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
You will not believe what happened to me today.
Guess
who I saw?
Who was that?
Yes, nah.
I beg, tell me, do they blush, I beg?
Prince, I appreciate it.
Hey, come on. You can lie.
He asked me out.
Mrs. Linus, now you be. You can lie, Shia. Prince of our land approached you as in who you be now. Look at you as in like you. I don't understand.
That is why I told you that you will not believe. You will not believe, and you did not believe. Well, he did, and he asked me to come to the palace tomorrow.
What is your village saga?
He asked me to come to the palace tomorrow and see him. You don't know.
This is serious.
Why would I joke with something like this? Do you know how long I've been wanting to be with a prince? Look at it. My dreams is finally coming to reality. I told you I was going to marry a rich man. I am born for royalty, Fate. So, my dear Fate, when I finally marry the prince, I will invite you over to come and, collect AC.
Which one be that one? You want to insult me or something?
You know my friend.
Hold your side, please.
You're my friend.
I'll be your maid now.
Did I say you'll be my
What kind of
maid?
insulting?
Why?
I beg, go away.
That way?
I will not even come.
You'll be coming to receive AC.
To do what? Come on there.
Hey!
Pretty girl. I go show churches and I me get this town. I me get this kingdom. You know? Lioness. Who is she? Lion waiting. Look at me. Pretty girl.
Fate.
Papa?
I'm going to Ichiago's place for a very special meeting. Okay. Remind your mother about my special pepper soup I asked for.
Okay, Papa. Papa. Don't be angry, Papa. I want to ask you something.
Want to ask me something?
Yes, Papa.
You need money?
No, money. No, I don't need money.
Then what is it?
Papa, it is about the prince. Do you have any idea if he has come back to take a wife?
What a question. If the prince has come back to take a wife.
Yes, Papa.
Well, I don't have any idea. He never told me. You know? I don't even know whether he has come to take a wife or not. Eh? Then why do you ask?
Okay. Nothing. I'm just being curious. Nothing.
Okay. Let me go for my meeting, but in any case, take care of the house.
Okay, Papa.
What kind of a trade makeup is this?
You mean my makeup?
Yes.
Am I beautiful? I look good, right?
You're always beautiful.
Papa,
please.
This makeup is for bigger babe.
I know, but... let me leave now.
Okay, Papa. Yeah. Papa, I remember the thing I just asked you now. Please. Please, ask. Very important.
Who is there? Hey! Stand here. Who are you? And what are you looking for here?
Go and tell the prince I'm here to see him. I have an appointment with him.
Wait. First of all, as big as you are, Your parents did not teach you to greet your elders? Or do I look like your mate?
I'm sorry about that. Good afternoon. Please go and tell the prince that I am here to see him. Uchechi is here to see him.
Just like that? Eh? Do you even know where you are? You just walk into the palace and you are telling me the prince invited me to come see him. Just like that. Eh? And I know your type. Yeah? I know your type. Just like you go around the village looking for who to put into trouble. And now you have carried that busybody to where I am. See, it will not work. I know you. You want to come and deceive the prince. Look how you are dressed. You even have the guts to come into the palace dressed like a prostitute.
And what is wrong with my dressing? Huh?
Everything. Huh? Everything is wrong with your dressing. See, you are going to go back and then get an invite permit before
Okay, please, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. You're just a common gate man. Do you hear me? And you are insulting me. This is over.
Me, Dan!
Go and tell the prince I'm here to see him.
Common gate man!
Yes, that's what you are. So don't even try to argue with me because you don't know who I am. You don't know who I'm coming to see, the prince. So go and tell him I'm here.
You call me, Dan, an ordinary gate man. Better stand here. Don't move an inch. My prince.
What's all the noise for?
It's one girl. She said you invited her to come. She said her name is Uchechi.
Oh! Uchechi! Oh, that's fine. Let her in.
But my prince.
Are you crazy? I said let her in. Now!
Okay.
What the fuck?
Hey, you! Go inside. Why?
Hey, Uchechi. It's good to finally have you here.
Thank you.
I'm glad you finally made it. Huh? Please sit. You're welcome to my palace.
Thank you.
So what do I offer you?
This one.
This? Are you sure? Alright, fine. Yeah, I moved straight to California, then I flew down to Nigeria. Now it is. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Tell her I'll get back to you soon. Yeah. I'm out. What's good, baby? You good? You having fun? You want something else?
No.
Why did they serve you this? This is too little.
This one is enough.
This is enough? You sure you're good?
Yes.
Why would they bring this? This is too little.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure you're good?
Yeah.
You sure? Alright, you need something? Just hit me up, alright?
Okay.
Alright, I'll be right back, huh? Good.
Naomi. And Grandpa, this is Ijeoma, my friend I've been telling you about.
Oh, Ijeoma. Take good care of my granddaughter.
Thank you, sir. Naomi, you're not ready.
Oh, I'm ready. I was just prescribing drugs for my grandpa.
Yeah, hurry up now. We're running late already.
Take the drugs. You can go, eh? Good.
Naomi, hurry up. If I get well soon, huh?
Hey, greet the cat kiss for me. Yeah? He's my good friend. I'll tell him that I'm sick, that he should come and see me. Okay. Cat kiss is my friend. He greets him for me.
Okay, Papa.
I'll be back soon.
I'll be back soon.
You good? You cool? You sure you're good? Alright. Why do you still have your clothes on? Why do you still have your clothes on?
Because I want to have them on.
Alright, get them off. We're having fun.
My parents, wait. I have not done it before, and I didn't know it was going to happen.
Are you trying to tell me you're a virgin? That makes sense. That's the best. I'll teach you how to do it.
Oh, Prince, I thought we just came to enjoy.
This is part of the enjoyment. Come on.
My parents, wait, my parents,
Hold on.
See this egusi I just picked yesterday. Where are all these ants coming from now? Eh? These things are very expensive.
Uche, come out!
Where
is she? Oh, Mama. You're there.
I'm here.
Where's my girl now? Where is who? Uchechi.
Who is your girl?
Uchechi.
I don't understand. Uchechi left here 4 hours ago and said she was coming to your place. How come you are here asking after the same Uchechi?
Uchechi was never at my place. That's why I'm here now.
Uchechi will not kill me. That your friend will not kill me. So she didn't come to your place?
No.
Okay, no problem. She will go and come back and explain to me where she went to. 4 hours, since 4 hours. She left this house.
Mama, calm down. Calm down.
No problem.
I believe she don't go far. She will soon be here. I'll wait for her. I'll wait for her here.
You want to wait for her?
Let me help you, Mama.
No, don't worry. I was about going to the kitchen. I want to cook.
Let me help you.
You can just hold this one. Let's go.
Yeah.
Since you're already
Which
here.
soup are you making?
I want to make a goosey soup.
Okay, let me help you and do the obono.
Find that way. You're a good girl. Don't come to
Yo, get up. Yeah, it's yours. Alright? Time's up. You gotta go. I've got somewhere to be right now.
My friends, I don't understand.
What you mean you don't understand? I mean I got somewhere to be. I just give you the money. Alright? You get yourself a new phone. That's what's up.
But I thought you said you liked me.
What? You thought I said I liked you? Of course, if I didn't like you, you would be here. Alright? But I never promised to marry you. Okay, so the deal is done. We had the do and you got the money. Get yourself a new phone. That's what's up. Alright? You get the point? You get a point? Yeah, you better get dressed and get out. Alright. Fuck. Shit, my nigga. What you still doing here? You gotta go. Damn, man. Damn. That girl is so sweet, bro. I had a great time with her, man.
You don't mean it?
I swear to God. Trust me, man. Before the end of this month, I'm going to have at least 20 virgins on my bed. Believe that.
Why? Bro, that's too much for crying out loud.
Come on, man. I'm just having fun.
Man. No. You want to finish all the girls in this village at once?
That's your freaking business, man. You can have fun too, bro.
Yeah, you need to take an easy.
Nah, I ain't taking nothing easy, man. The girl is so sweet. I mean, virgins. I never had no virgin before, bro. I've been having hoes all the day. Nah, I'm having virgins this time.
I will not take that from the prince. Why would the prince treat you that way? Prince is supposed to be a good example to his subject, not the other way around. How dare him suppress and make you feel this way? You know what? My family is
Uchechi, sorry for bothering you girls. Actually, I was asked by the prince to come.
Who is this one?
To come and apologize to you on what he did to you.
Let's go. Leave this man. Let's go.
Please, can you just calm down, please?
Let's go.
No, now, please, now, please. Can you just calm down, please?
What? Talking.
The prince said I should come and tell you that he's truly sorry for what he did to you.
After everything he did. Do you know the gravity? Does he know the gravity of what he has done?
But he said that he's sorry.
And so can sorry fix everything?
See, he would have come here with me, but he said that maybe his presence might bring more tension or problem. That's why I'm here.
He even has pride. Prince with pride.
That is not pride. He was only trying to make peace with you. I believe you. After now, you will see him, please.
Yeah, I'm not accepting him.
Please now, please. He's truly sorry.
Okay,
let bygone be bygone.
Let's
please
go.
now. Okay,
Please.
wait. See, Uchechi. To show you that he's truly sorry for what he did, he asked me to give you this.
All this for me?
Yes, of course, it's for you. Take, it's for you.
Give this money, it's a trap.
A whole 200,000.
Hey. Does he even think that this thing is enough to pay for what he did?
I know it's not enough. It's just for you to just calm down, please. Yeah? Just manage it.
Tell him I've heard. Tell him I've accepted the apology.
Wow, that's good.
It's okay, let's go.
Excuse me, Chechi, one more thing. Please. I really need to talk to you about something. There's one other thing.
Be fast about it. Me, I'm not happy with you and your family.
We'll give you this money back, oh.
No, it hasn't gone to that. Please.
I beg. Talk fast because they go.
Yeah? Just calm down. Actually, I was asked by the priest to come and tell you this. This is another thing that is going to transform your life. I mean, I want you and him to have a deal. It's just a simple thing.
Deal on what?
Well, he said if you can help, if you can provide a virgin for him.
Virgin?
Yes.
What? Hey,
just calm down.
I told you this money is a trap. Give this guy this money back. Let's go.
No trap. This is a business. You're a big. Let me tell you. Okay, fine. The deal we are talking about is about 150,000 naira each. Each time you bring a girl for the prince, you get 150,000 naira.
150 what?
Yes. At least if you provide girls weekly, you know how much you make in a week. That will make you the biggest girl in town.
150,000.
150,000.
151. 300.
I can't do this.
Wait. Okay, 200,000.
Okay.
200,000. Think about it. It's a big money. Okay.
Don't go. You want to stop? Don't listen to him. Oh. Let's go. Show him you are a big girl. Hey, what do you want to do? You want to listen to him? Let's go.
Chichi, hold on, Chichi. Listen. I am so sorry for what happened the last time. Okay? I want you to find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please. Okay? Chichi, please. Forgive me.
Don't answer him. Don't listen to him. Let's go, I beg. Let's go. Wait.
Hold on. Huh?
I'm forgiving.
Thank you so much.
Seriously? You want to forgive him? Oh, you did. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, stop.
What is it?
Can we still be friends? Can we be good friends? Huh? Can we be good friends, please?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Good afternoon. Wow.
My prince.
Oh yes. Now that we're friends, can you help me get that girl to my bed? I promise I'll give you 50,000.
What? How dare you say that to me?
It's alright, I'll make it 100.
It was right about you all this while.
No.
So you were this evil?
No.
Stay away from me.
Chechi, relax. It's not... Oh, Chechi, it's not that serious.
Are you sure I wasn't too fast in my reaction? Should I reconsider his offer? Because come to think of it, I can't loot both sides. I still believe in my dreams. Maybe if I agree to give in, with time he'll get fond of me and that'll give me more opportunities to be closer to him. Who knows? Maybe he might still want to marry me in the future. Besides, there is still another option. Accepting to be the prince's friend, then I can be safe. I can save some reasonable amount of money and leave this village to go to the city and still marry a rich guy. He must not be the prince. Yes! Yes, that is exactly what I will do. If plan A doesn't work, we go for plan B. No giving up, Uchechi.
Just calm down. I will do money go plenty. Please. So I won't buy tights. We should do money. I will use and buy tights.
So, what you have to do is keep our relationship secret. Remember that I don't want you to understand like that. You know, you probably feel like once you say my name, even a baby that gave it knows you. When your chick is free, that is evidence. I need to be everything that your chick is free. My nice thing to do. I'm not going to do like this. See us now. Hey, you know the thing. Look at where you're like. Right choice. So, you don't take back to would you want to do? Just drop me from your house. Your friend goes to the back. That's time. Hey, very good. I was doing thank you. See, are you there? You're like friends.
Lady, too much. You are the master planner. Hey, Nick, I promote my cap to the one for grand for you. It's too much. Just that little son. And she felt why not?
I'll pay for
Looking at my story lot today. When it comes, it goes.
Hi. I wasn't expecting you to come here today.
Yes, I know. I'm the last person you're expecting to see. But I brought what I discussed with you last time.
Wow, you wise girl.
Thank you.
I like that.
What about...
Oh yeah, we'll come to that. You know, my mother is inside, so I don't want them to come in like that. So why don't you just stay by the corner and I'll meet you guys.
Sure, of course.
Uchechi, what were you doing?
Mama, nothing. I didn't know.
Do you know how long I've been standing here, Uchechi? And why are you hiding the phone? Let me have it.
Mama, which phone? You know I don't have any phone.
I will not ask you again. Whose phone is that? Am I not talking to a human being? Who is the owner of that phone?
Mama, it's Faith. It's Faith's phone. She gave me her phone to charge for her. They don't have lights. The transformer blew up. And I even heard that the transformer almost killed Nanyudo.
Let me have the phone, Uchechi. You say the phone belongs to Faith. Eh? And you want to charge it for her. So let me have it.
Mama,
Mom, Uchechi, let me have the phone.
Mama, stop.
I said let me have the phone, Uchechi. Let me have it. So you have still pressing phone. Eh? No wonder you left that vegetable there. When you are done wasting your time here, you will still take that vegetable to the market and make sure you sell all of them. As for this phone, I will charge it for Faith and I will take it to her.
Mama, you stop this thing like this. I cannot press my
Please, I said I'm sorry. Okay? For this now, I'll be pleading with you to forgive me. I'm sorry now, we are friends soon.
Yeah. What kind of friend are you? Ask yourself that question and answer it. What kind of friend are you? Ordinary fool. Don't accept that you want it. You wanted to disgrace me. You have disgraced me now. Well done. You got what you wanted.
Yes, you did too.
There is no way I've never seen you like that before.
I'm sorry.
Come on, tell me that I
I've never seen you. Anymore. Relax, you're my friend. I'll keep on seeing you forever. From the past. Please, I'm sorry.
I know because of God. Okay, I'm forgiving you. I'm a Christian, so why not?
Thank you. That's why I call you Lioness. My darling.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is it now?
I'm sorry for talking about it. I'm looking around for you.
You're not looking.
Can you look for your trouble? Tell me that person. Oh, you did not tell them that you checked his friend. Do not let them know. I will show them that whoever is my friend, they don't mean it. Oh yeah, come and show me the person. Come and show me the person that look for your trouble. They think I'm playing.
What is it? Why are you making this way? What's the problem? I need to period.
Eh?
Did you say you need your period? That means you're pregnant. Nobody knows about this. Continue to have it. No. No, okay. It's okay. Let's come back. I'll take it. Something about it. You don't have to try. Just don't tell anybody. I use this one. Buy a painkiller that is okay. Okay? Don't tell anybody about it. I'll sort it out. Yeah, dude. I swear. This man is really messing with me. Hi! Tell me what I did this now. Eh?
Calm down now.
I beg everybody to calm down. Eh? My friend can lose his position as a new in this video because of this. Take this news.
Don't go that far, please.
Eh? Nothing now.
How will I be here and to get out? What is there? Is it not just to take her to somewhere that she will terminate pregnancy?
We will leave it for her.
Fine. Then I'll pay for it. I have the money to pay for it. Do you have to call the elders of the community for it? Please calm down.
Ah. Okay. If you say so, I'm calm. We have to act fast to clear this off because when this news gets out, we are in trouble. You know what I'm talking about. Because this girl, you know, they enjoy her more. This maneuver they make, I don't enjoy them. I don't even this in good sense. That's my body.
Look at you. You are enjoying the money. Also, like the cash.
I tell you.
But first, you're behaving like someone that will take you back.
Don't forget that even the time I won't go to like this. See, like I tell you, at first I wasn't ready to take the risk, but for now I can say that this risk is worth taking. I'm telling you, do you know that? Just kidding. I've seen from the 90,000 naira. I'm telling you, I'm gonna to make up to 1 million naira. Like that, like Sika.
You be a millionaire.
Yo, what do we do now? Eh? See, I'm only concerned about this girl's threat. We have to do everything possible to terminate that pregnancy ASAP. If not, I'm afraid she will go on with her threat.
Nobody's going on with any threat. Relax. Chika is too small. She can't do anything. Besides, why is she even blaming us? We gave her our own cut from the money. And we didn't ask her to sleep with the prince without protection.
Don't blame her on that. You know she was unconscious that day.
Even at that, she shouldn't blame someone for her predicament. You heard what the doctor said. Before he does it,
it has to be with the consent of a family member. We cannot risk that. And we also tried 3 other hospitals. They said the same thing.
I know. What do we do now, girl?
I don't know what to do.
Tell me, what do we do? Oh. No, girl. Don't go there, please. We'll not do that. Must we go that far? Please, come on.
Which far?
She's our friend.
Oh, please.
We don't have to go that far. We have to look for another way, please.
Relax. I have everything.
I am not relaxing, my dear. This is I cannot take it.
You can't take what?
I'm not doing it.
So what solution do you have? See, can you think of something? It's what I think of. That's what we do. Can you think of anything? No. Please don't tell me that.
Hey!
I'm not there yet. Me, I'm tired.
Relax now.
Chika, come. Sure, you want to do this thing and you want it to be successful without any complications. That's the place we are going to now. Do you think these people used to stay in the eyes of people that will see them? Is all these kind of places they used to stay?
I'm no longer comfortable with this. Are you afraid of us? Relax now. Now we.
Where are you friends? How are we going to take it? Let's go so that we'll do this thing. Nobody will know about it.
Fine, yeah. Let's go.
They come, don't have time. People should stay and wait for me. Let me go and eat myself.
Okay.
I'm coming,
Okay. Just stay here, okay? Fine, girl.
I'm tired. I don't like this movie.
Relax now. Don't trust us.
We are walking since.
We are your friends. We cannot deceive you. Just relax, okay?
Okay, let's go.
I told you now, yeah. Let's go.
You have to have a heart of stone. Okay, go to your place, let me carry her. You don't help me. Why do you have to do this? Go and put down that shovel. Okay. Go look at that other one at the back. Bring her slippers too. can I even get here before you? Eh? What do they use shovel to do? Please follow me. Where are you standing here? Now come and see.
Please help her.
Help her and do what?
Please wake her up.
Wake her up. Are you okay? Come look at me. Please come this side. You have to listen fast. Come. She start from here. Start from there. She that side. Please come. Very strong.
Leave me alone. I said, leave me alone! You're a monster. You're a monster. I hate you so much. Just look at me. I'm not a murderer. You have turned me into a murderer. Why? Oh my God. Please forgive me. You made me stain my hand with the blood of the innocent girl. I hate you.
I was only looking out for us.
Shut up. That's a lie. It's a lie. You were looking out for yourself. You wicked girl. I hate you.
Faith, don't be dramatic now. It's okay. Ha! Faith!
Don't worry now. There is still time. Look at it. It's just 5:30. She'll still come back.
5:30?
Calm down.
Okay.
Where are you going to now?
I want to go and look for her. Everywhere. Just search everywhere.
Don't worry. I'll talk to Ono, my father. You understand? So that Ono will go to the palace and report the matter. You know? So Igwe and the Lolo. You understand? So you don't need to trouble yourself. Just calm down.
You report to your father?
I will tell no. So you don't have problem.
Let me go search for her.
No, your daughter? No, I've not seen her.
Hey!
What happened?
No, I don't know. I did not see my daughter. Hey!
What happened? Where did you say that?
I don't know. She went to farm. Go help me. I beg, help me. Help me.
Calm down, calm down.
So son, where have you been? I've been trying to reach you since afternoon and your numbers are switched off.
Mama, I want to help my friend, you know. I didn't realize you were calling me. But I'm here. So what's going on?
The others were here earlier today to discuss with you over a matter of one missing girl.
A missing girl? What about her?
They said the girl went to farm yesterday morning. When it was time for her to be back, her mother did not see her. She went to the farm only for her to see the cutlass she went to farm with, and other things. But the girl was nowhere to be found up till now.
That's a terrible story.
Honestly.
A terrible one. So what are the elders doing about this?
We had a conversation with your father over the phone. Your father instructed the elders to go and meet the DPO of our station so that he will tell his men to move into action immediately.
Alright, I guess I'll just do that. By the way, what's the girl's name?
The girl's name? What did they even call her? Chika, yes.
Chika?
Yes, do you know her?
No, I don't. It's just that her name sounded familiar. It's alright, I'll just go take a shower upstairs and then swing into action.
It's okay. I'll tell the maids to serve your dinner.
Alright, Mom.
Give me bread and sugar.
And this one I get to, and this one na 400.
Oh, it's expensive now, it's small.
And this one I get to.
Bring it and 2 sugar.
Good afternoon. I want to buy 2 cups of rice. My grandpa said he will pay you by this weekend.
Nothing I waiting you want to. I just the way you finish that 10 times I been waiting in the restaurant. I had to detail it again.
Please, you promised this weekend. I promise, please. We'll pay you back this weekend.
I had to detail it.
Give am now.
Madam, I know the way they say this thing. Mind your business. Madam, what can they go? Come up for here.
Please.
I had to do. Come on.
I'll pay you back.
Go and give her back. Go and give her the rice. I'll pay you.
You pay. Thank you so much.
Do you remember me? The girl you bumped into maybe when you were going to the market or something?
Yes. I now remember. Please, I'm so sorry for that incident. I was such in a hurry. I didn't even see you coming.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay.
My name is Uchechi.
Naomi. Can I at least give you a hug? I have a new friend.
Yes, you do.
Thank you.
Everything that you can. I don't know why you can't give me a seat now. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? They go.
You know what
you change, don't be too. Madam, they go.
I will come this shop.
Come up for here.
Looking at my story like today, when it goes, it goes. It doesn't stay the same.
How did it go? Papa, has she been found?
Not really. Shall not be found. The worst thing is that there's no lead, there are no clues, or to whatever that happened to her. Nobody saw her, where she went, who she went with. My daughter, this missing girl's movement is nothing but a total mystery to everybody. The promising young girl just vanished into the thin air. I don't really understand this.
Hey! Papa,
yes.
This is serious. Very serious one. You mean she has not been found dead or alive? Hey!
My daughter.
Wonder shall never end.
This chica of a girl, is it by any chance your friend?
Forgive me. No. She's not my friend though. I don't even know her. I have not set my eyes on her before. I don't know her from this. I don't know her anywhere at all. Papa, friend, Guinea. She's not my friend though. No, I don't know how.
Well, if you say so, please, very careful.
Okay, Papa.
This our community no longer safe.
Yes, Papa.
My wife.
Nine.
How are you?
I'm inside. I heard your voice. I was cooking in the kitchen. I heard your voice. How did it go? No luck?
My wife, no luck.
Hey!
The worst thing is that nobody has claimed to have seen that girl.
Aye.
Even the mother still insists that she left her on the farm to go home and prepare for dinner.
Hey!
My wife. I'm confused.
Where could this girl be? Where could this girl be? So they're searching.
Yes, we're still searching.
It's still going on.
They're very much going on. You see, the Igwe spoke to us this morning, myself and the prince on phone, that we should involve the police. And police searching tomorrow.
Police!
But when our search failed, we should call it off.
Oh! Faith! Faith! Faith!
Yes, Mama!
Mama! Nke ina mezi ko onye erukpu n'ime mmiri. Go and do what you are doing. I beg. You look be hungry by now.
Yes, I am.
Let's go. I made your food.
Papa! Did you say police? Police is in job.
Hey! Police! Otilo, Ogugon. Hey! Police, oh. Police, oh.
Story like today, when it goes, it doesn't stay the same. I don't even understand myself. Everything I know.
Very useless man.
Mommy, hello. Hi, Chichi.
This is my friend, Faith. Oh. And Faith, this is Naomi.
Hi, Faith.
Hi.
Pardon my manners. This is Ijoma, my friend. Ijoma, this is
Uchechi and Faith.
Wow, you already know their names.
Of course. Who doesn't know Uchechi the lioness and her best friend?
That means she must be very smart.
Yes. You can say that again.
Well, it's nice to see you, Naomi. Unlike some people standing here.
And I guess that compliment is for me.
Oh, Uchechi, you really got it all wrong. Ijoma you see here can be a talkative.
That's strange, coming from you. Except you know her better than we do.
Maybe I do.
Mommy, how about you tell me about yourself? You call our curiosity.
Okay. Well, where are you going? Ijoma. Why did she walk out like that?
It's okay, continue.
Okay, so as I was saying, my name is Naomi, but there's nothing really much about me.
It's okay. We have a big party coming up. I would like you to come.
Party? But I've never been to a party before. Besides, I don't even have any clothes for that.
Don't worry your head about it. We'll get you covered.
Okay? We'll take you shopping and get you nice things so you can be outstanding.
Just say thank you.
Baby. Why you smile? Hey. What do you think about this our new friend now?
Which new friend?
Naomi, of course.
Naomi. I like her, Sha.
But she's still a small girl. She's not in our level.
But
she's cool to be with. She's friendly.
Hey! It's it! I told you we would make it.
I told you you'd be the biggest girl. See this village.
Biggest girl. I don't understand. What's all this excitement?
You remember that time I was going downtown, you were asking me what I wanted to open an account for? Look at it. Alert.
Jesus. Uchechi, what's going on? Do you steal this money?
Give me.
Do you know what you have there?
200,000 naira. Faith.
Don't tell me you've joined Yahoo.
Which Yahoo?
You steal it.
Look at how smart I am. How come I made a dummy, my friend? It doesn't match.
I'm not a dummy.
Where will you bring mature?
I'm matured.
Remember that girl I told you I gave to the prince? That girl from Nollywood.
I remember.
Yes, her.
That has not explained that huge amount of money.
And so you cannot use your brain and figure out and read the handwriting on the wall. See, the prince also accepted after I paid the girl to her. So he asked me to send my account number and he transferred 200,000.
Hey!
Yes, and he said if I give him another girl, he send another 200,000 to me.
1, 2 times, that is 400,000.
Yes, that is the deal.
This our prince, Bukoyo Wego. Uche, our prince must be a ritualist.
How is my business? Am I the one doing the ritual with him? As long as the money is coming in, I don't care. What you're supposed to be doing is let us know how we'll get another girl for the prince. Not trying to discourage me. See, it is either you're in as usual or you're out, which I know is not possible. So just sit down with me.
Uchechi.
What is it, Naomi?
I know that I hurt you, but I didn't mean to do it intentionally. Please, just forgive me. I'm begging you.
Naomi, how could you do a thing like this? How? So this is how you intend to pay me back for all the good deeds and intentions I have towards you, really? You now roll with that troublesome girl Uchechi and her friend Faith.
I was only trying to be nice to them, but they are friends now.
Point of correction. They are your friends and not mine. Look, Naomi, I'm not trying to run your life for you. Neither am I trying to detect what you do. I'm only looking out for you because I want the best from you. They have nothing to offer to you. They are nothing but evil.
Joma, I understand the fact that you never liked them, but right now you're sounding so harsh.
Really?
Yes. Uchechi and Faith means no harm to us. Okay, so look at the clothes that they bought for me. Isn't it beautiful?
Say something else.
Joma, they got this clothes for me just for friendship's sake. And I can assure you that we can never come between us. You mean a lot to me, Joma.
Really?
Yes.
I mean a lot to you.
Yes.
And you went back to them yesterday. Okay, no problem. I've heard you. But see, just be careful with the kind of friends you make. That's all I have to say. And be careful with those girls too. Don't say I did not warn you. Naomi, don't say I did not warn you. Hey.
It's okay. I promise I'll be careful, okay? So, one day you come over to my house, I want to make abacha and I know you will love.
You're trying to bribe me now. Alright, no problem. I will drop by. Let me quickly just do something.
Bye.
Please be careful.
did you just say? I missed my period. It's just period now. There are many reasons why one can miss their period. So, don't stress me.
Then what are you saying? Please, go straight to the point. Wasting our time. Mama, she told me that I'm pregnant. Can you just say the date? Yes. You're pregnant? Okay.
I know it's money that you want. Take it and ask the one I gave to you. And leave me alone. I don't need your money. I'm in a mess. So what do you want me to do? I need your help to terminate this pregnancy before my auntie knows about it. Else she will kill me. Okay. Just go and do whatever you need to do for your auntie. Okay? Everything you have to do, all the choice. Then after you come back here, we'll be here waiting for you. We have to keep to you. It's okay now, go.
Hey! Another big say for goodness sake. Eh? You don't even come from the day inside. Another one don't come. Want that priest to keep it in check. Make it keep me breath in check. What kind of carelessness is this from the press? This is too much. At least let him use protection. Out of 8 girls, 8 virgins we have given the prince, he got 2 pregnant, soiling our hand with the blood of the innocent. What's this? Because listen, I know exactly how this one will end. They don't tell me nah.
You are all talk. Faith, you are all talk. Can't you just keep quiet? What are you talking for? Will this talk solve anything? Please don't stress me.
Okay.
I don't know why you like to talk too much. You're not even smart. Okay, leave the smart one to do the thinking. You will not shut up. Okay.
Come on.
My queen.
You sounded so urgent on the phone. What is the matter?
My queen. A toad does not run in daytime for nothing. Strange things and terrible things are happening in our community. I need to find a way to end this calamity, or else we'll be in a bigger trouble.
Calamity?
Yes.
What calamity are you talking about?
My queen, either we are facing kidnappers or ritualists in this land, and we'll feed them out with immediate effect.
Oh no, I'm still lost here. Can you explain it better?
My queen, as I speak with you right now, another promising daughter of our land is missing for the past 3 days without trace or clue. Not only that, this kind of thing has never happened in this community. Can you imagine? Within 2 months, 2 of our daughters are mysteriously missing. Except drastic action is taken, we might lose our daughters.
May the gods forbid. This is getting more serious. Oh no. Who do you think is doing this?
What could be doing what, brother?
Oh, son, it's good you're here. Let us see.
Welcome, my prince.
Thank you very much, What's going on?
Oh no, here can explain to you.
My prince, if you ask me, I will say either we're dealing with kidnappers or ritualists. And we must act fast before we face a terrible situation in this community.
And who do you think is responsible for this, if I may ask?
So, anyway.
Oh. I thought you went to the police. What did they say?
My queen, we went to police to make entries. They asked us to go back home and they will do their best to fetch out our girls. That's all.
Well, I believe the police are doing their jobs, alright? I'm sure they're trying to find out who exactly is responsible for this. To waste more time, we'll look for other alternatives, I guess.
Oh, hey. Really crazy.